Hi viewers, how are you viewers? Viewers, I'm going to share a very important video with you. Viewers, I hope you'll be fine. Viewers, the topic that I'm going to share with you in this video is related about physics, and it's an instrument about which we are going to talk. Let's start our video, viewers. Viewers, finally, I'll tell you that the topic of my video is meter rule. Yes, viewers, we will know about meter rule. First, we have to go on Google and let's find it here. After finding it here, we will be able to get its proper information. Let's start. First, we are taking its introduction or overview. A meter rule is a device which is used to measure length of different objects. A meter rule of length 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters cm. On meter rule, each centimeter is divided further into 10 divisions which are called millimeters. So a meter rule can measure up to 1 millimeter as smallest reading. What is the formula for meter rule? The weight of the rule acts through the center of gravity at the middle of the rule. This is shown in the diagram below, where m1 is the mass hanging from the rule, m2 is the mass of the meter rule, and g is the acceleration of free fall. This can be rearranged to give m2 is equal to m1 multiplied by d1 over d2. What is ruler and meter rule? A meter rule is a 1 meter and 1 meter ruler. In addition to talking measurements of length, meter rules are often used to help line things up as they are long enough to be useful in most practical work. Meter rules often don't have a gap between the zero mark and the end of the ruler. What is the function of the meter rule in physics? Uses of a meter rule in physics: measuring length, width, and height, determining the volume of an object, measuring the diameter of a cylinder, calculating the velocity of an object, measuring the distance between 2 points, checking the alignment of objects. How do you measure length with a meter rule? To measure the length of an object with such a ruler, the object is placed close to a specific marking on the ruler and positions of both ends of the object are read on the ruler. The difference between the two readings gives the length of the object. Why is it called a meter rule? A meter rule has a length of 1 meter, which is equal to 100 centimeters. As the name suggests, a meter rule, on the other hand, is divided into smaller units called millimeters, with each centimeter divided into 10 millimeters. What is meter rule? Simple. A meter rule is a device which is used to measure the length of different objects. It is calibrated in millimeters and centimeters. A meter rule of such length is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. On the meter rule, each centimeter is divided further into 100 divisions which are called millimeters. What is the SI unit of meter rule? The meter symbol m is the SI unit of length. It is defined by taking the fixed numerical value of the speed of light in vacuum c to be 299 and 792.458 when expressed in the unit ms minus 1, where the second is defined in terms of del VCS. The kilogram symbol kg is the SI unit of mass. Who discovered meter rule? In 1893, the standard meter was the first measured with an interferometer by Albert A. Michelson, the inventor of the device and an advocate of using some particular wavelength of lights as a standard of length. What is the use of meter? A meter is any device that measures and may record an electrical or magnetic quantity such as voltage or current. For example, an ammeter or voltmeter are kinds of meters. Use of such a device may be termed metering, or you might say the quantity being measured in is being metered. So viewers, I hope my video will be informative for you. So like my video and subscribe my channel also, and thank you so much for watching this video.